All right, we got a sweet little ripper. We got a SX85 from '08. It's came out of Idaho from some like 12-year-old kid that told me verbatim, "Yeah, I'm selling it because I got too many projects. I can't take this." So sold it to me for $750 because he cracked the sleeve, one of the mount bolts. So maybe some coolant got into the motor. I don't think so, but never know. I'm just gonna see if I could JB weld that first, and if not, we're just gonna TIG weld it, and it should run. So yeah, giddy up. Alrighty, right now I'm just disconnecting the power valve. And then we're taking the top off and giving her a glue. See if it works. All the top end, not top end, power valve components. Luckily, I took a picture right before I took it off, so I know how it goes back together. Don't want to lose any of those. Wow. There's a little bit of coolant in there from just messing around kicking it over, but it seems pretty good. There's still honing marks in there, so that's chill. Let's see if we can fix this baby. Probably get a new gasket. Should be good. Alright, check it out. So, it's literally just the outer part of the sleeve. Whoa, that is very zoomed in. I guess you can't see. But basically, that right there, that just cracked off. So all I gotta do, JB weld, try first, and then if that doesn't work, we'll TIG weld it. But I think JB weld might be the better solution because you can't really TIG weld this bottom unless you're really good with the angle grinder, which I am, but I don't want them. We're gonna go JB weld, but that should work pretty good. All right, so I almost always have a tube of this. It's the steel reinforced JB weld. It's pretty good at its job, so we'll see. Here we go. So you just gotta, it comes out black and white. So you just gotta mix it really good until it turns this kind of gray. Make sure it's all mixed up. And then just give it a nice little glue. make sure this is nice and smooth, otherwise won't get the proper seal on it. Q-tip. All right, we ain't got any Q-tips, so I've got this piece of floss with some paper towel or some toilet paper. Well, that's not bad. Like, you can see the crack, but that should work. It's not holding high pressure, it's just where the coolant is flowing. So I think it's gonna work. I think we got a 6 score on this little bike. Little Idaho homie is chill. And now we let it set for minimum of 6 hours. I'll probably just leave it all day and then throw it on and see if we get lucky.